morning, all. Now time to bath. Wow, so yummy. Today is nice for going day out. Where I go? Well, I'm going to the beach. Oh. Wow, so nice. Wow, this feels like an awesome day. These photos later bring back happy memories. Yay, yay! I'm swimming! Oh, see! Water getting hot! Oh, lot of seawater and sand in the towel! I'm so hungry! I'm eating bronzevade, so tasty! Wow! Playground at sea! Seesaw in the playground at sea. I'd really like to play. Oh yeah! I really like this! Very funny!
Oh, nice shot, guys!
Oh, volleyball hit me. It's okay.
I saw you get hit by the volleyball. Are you okay?
Oh, thank you for asking. I'm perfectly fine.
This sunscreen will make your body without dull.
Oh, thank you for asking. I'm okay. I'm fine. Oh, look! There are so many sea sand castles. Oops! I'm really bad for this. I want to swim again. What happened? Oops! Big sea waves coming. I have to swim fast. Oh, this is nice time to do surf. Wow. This is a nice surfing board. Oh, this is really fun. Oh, I'm falling. No! I will still hungry. I will stop surfing now. Coconut water is so good for our health. Nice sunny weather. Oh, look! There is a rainbow, too! Wow, so beautiful evening sunset scenery. I'm collecting these seashells, and now it's time to go home. Oh, a little bit night now. A little bit night now. Wow, so beautiful seashells. It looks great. Salt seawater hole in my body. Good night. All by